Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Joseph in Florida on the Anytone Quad 6. Joseph, you got one of 15 left. These things, when they're gone, they're gone. Let's start with our power all the way down. You got the Toshiba voltage regulator, the Toshiba voltage regulator, and the tune alignment. 50 watt slug, 2 watts all the way down. Let's roll it all the way up. 20. Show you average power swing. Low, 50 bird, 100 watt slug and peak. Low, 99 peak. Joseph, it's ready to go, bud. That regulator is going to keep your radio much cooler. That's what supplies the voltage to the finals on the AM side. So guys, if you don't know that, that's what that's for, okay? All right, Joseph, we'll get it out to you from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bye-bye.